Hello everyone, today I would like to talk about my favorite input device. My favorite device is a wireless mouse from Logitech. It is a popular and reliable brand. The mouse is small, light, and has an oval shape. It's made of plastic, so it's easy to carry and comfortable to use. It has simple functions such as clicking, scrolling, and controlling the cursor. It is compatible with most operating systems like Windows and Mac OS. It also has good sensitivity and work smoothly. The advantage is that it is convenient and easy to use. However, I need battery and can sometimes run out of power. I like it because it is more comfortable and than a touchpad and help me work faster.